Alright, welcome back. Good morning. Today is race day. We are out with WRL and Team Shaky Dog. We got Tramp put back together the last few weeks, so we've been working hard. Obviously we had that issue with Moose earlier this season, and Tramp caught on fire at Barber. So it's been a long one, but we got Tramp running. We were out testing yesterday. Everything seems good. I'd say our biggest struggle might be brakes this weekend. But we got an 8-hour race to try and get through today, and I'm pretty excited. I'll show you Tramp, and yeah, check out this field. Excited? Oh yeah. It's a little bit of a Trampenstein with all the different body panels, and we didn't exactly get it cleaned up, but underneath all of that, she's very fresh. Everything is fresh. Everything's been gone through a couple times, nut and bolted. Brand new brakes. Again. Brand new splitter. Should be good. Car felt good yesterday, so see if we can make it through today. Wouldn't hurt. Woo! Time for the race start. Looks like we're in 15th. Only 13 minutes in. Only 13 minutes in. It's about as long as it's ever gone before.
Cross your fingers now, you're low.
Yeah. About an hour and a half in. Time for fuel. I'm gonna get in. Everything's going well so far. So, boys, gonna do some fuel in it. Should be good. Okay, thank you. we made about an hour, a couple more hours, and then lost all the brakes. Slowly, looks like we have a leaking caliper. Unfortunately. Give it a pump. Yeah, I got her. Okay, thank you. So yeah, fortunately that handbrake caliper is toast, so change it out and go back out, but out of the race for today. Okay, got the car serviced, so we're about to head back out. Unfortunately, the front brakes were done too. And they were new, we only made it a couple hours, so we gotta be way easier on the brakes. Unfortunately, with the stock brakes and this much power, we're really struggling, but we'll get back out there and at least try to have some fun today. All right, looks like Jason's doing good. His stint's just about over, so we're gonna throw some fuel in it and get Cletus out there. Still running though. All right, let's see, where are we at? Car's running, it's 3 p.m. now, so we lost that half hour, maybe a little more than that. Other than that, she's good. I mean, got a couple hours left, another 30 minutes, and I'll go back in and see if we can finish it up. Bad news. Came in for the final pit stop, and I checked the brakes right before I hopped in the car, and looked a little concerning. So decided to pull it off and take a look, and I'm glad I did. I'll show you what this looks like. So I just pulled it apart quick, but I haven't even pulled this off yet. I had to pry the caliper off there. And look at the shape of this backing plate. So yeah, I think that was the last lap for these. These were Carbotech, some RP2s. That was 3 hours. And of course we got a couple brake ducts, at least trying to get some general cooling, but not enough. So when I was out there shooting footage, I was seeing the sparks blasting off the brakes. So I was like, oh man, I better check them before I hop in and go for a run. I'm glad I did.
Okay.
So
the outsides?
That's the outsides. Insides were a little better, but pretty worn. So we gotta figure out something. Third set of brakes. Go finish this race.
All right, Robert, so what's the strategy? What are we working on right now?
So we're going for a 5 on, 5 off strategy. 5 minutes on the brakes, 5 minutes just sitting here doing nothing.
Sitting here in the pits.
Yeah.
And that way we can make them last the next 30 minutes of the race?
Yeah.
That's all we need?
That's all we need.
We already got our 2 laps that we needed to get our place, so...
So what are we, 15?
I think so.
That's not bad. Kinda. It's 4:30, so we'll go out in a few minutes, turn a few more laps, comes and sit. We'll get it.
Perfect.
And we gotta figure out tomorrow.
Yeah. I don't think the same strategy works tomorrow, does it?
We just need 4 to 5 sets of brake pads tomorrow.
Yeah.
And rotors.
Maybe we can do like a whole front end swap, just unplug, plug.
Just throwing subframes at it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That'll work. All right, technically, the car finished the race. Just everyone helped out. Chris is here today. Helped us change brakes like 3 times. We only went through 3 sets of pads, 3 sets of rotors, and 2 calipers.
Not bad.
Not bad for just a quickie 8-hour. Oh my gosh. And then I babied it the last bit there. Hopefully we got a good set bed in okay for tomorrow. Yeah, those look pretty normal. Sweet. Well, motor seemed happy. Definitely burns oil. So we'll take a look at that. And then we can start a little extra full tomorrow and plan to top it off in the middle. But we gotta figure out brakes. So anyway, that's it for today.